Most people use AI like Google. I use it like a pressure test tool. Here's the difference and why it matters for every decision you make. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3-step AI system I use as a military safety officer and founder of an operational resilience program, and how you can copy it today. This is Mind Alchemy. A 2025 peer-reviewed study found that long-term AI use is inversely correlated with decision-making self-confidence. The more people outsource their thinking to AI, the less they trusted their own judgment. That's the trap. AI is supposed to make you sharper. Used wrong, it makes you dependent. Here's the root cause. Most people use AI as a search engine. Type a question, get an answer, copy it, move on. That's not intelligence amplification. That's outsourcing your brain. In my work as a military safety officer, I process complex safety data, run risk assessments, and make decisions where the margin for error is zero. When I first started using AI in that context, I made the classic mistake. I fed it a complex scenario and expected a useful output. What I got was technically correct and operationally useless because my input was vague. My thinking was fuzzy. The AI just made it visible. That's the gift. AI is a mirror. It reflects the quality of your thinking back at you. Here's the system. 3 steps. Step 1. Set up your AI Resilience Toolkit. 3 components. A thinking partner, AI you use to pressure test decisions, not make them. A tracking system, weekly stress signals, energy signals, decision backlog fed into AI to find patterns. A content engine, configured with your voice and framework so it generates from your thinking, not instead of it. Step 2. Create 5 personalized AI prompts. Generic prompts get generic outputs. Your 5 prompts. 1. Decision pressure test. 2. After action review. 3. Energy and stress audit. 4. Content creation in your voice. 5. Strategic clarity check. Write these, save them, use them every week. That's your AI operating system. Step 3. Establish your AI-human integration protocol. 3 questions your protocol must answer. What decisions does AI inform but never make? What is your verification ritual before acting on AI output? What is your weekly AI review? Did it sharpen your thinking or replace it? This is what separates people who get sharper with AI from people who get softer. In aviation safety, we have a concept called decision authority. It defines who makes which decisions, under which conditions. You cannot delegate decision authority to a system that carries no accountability. AI has no accountability. You do. The professionals who thrive in the next decade aren't the ones who use AI the most. They're the ones who use AI to think better and stay accountable for outcomes. If you want the full AI operational intelligence system, the complete toolkit, all 5 prompts, the integration protocol, that's Module 4 of the Operational Resilience Method. Start with the free 3-minute assessment. Link in the description. Subscribe if this gave you a different way to think about AI. Next week, the energy system that powers all of this. See you Thursday.